How to log in to Sweat Wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Sweat Wallet account. To log into your Sweat Wallet account, first of all, you need to ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have already created an account on it, here open your Sweat Wallet application on your mobile device, and here once you reach to this page, tap on Continue with Sweatcoin. Once you tap on this button, you will be taken to a new page now. In this page, you will be asked to enter your secret phrase, which is the 12 words that is given to you when you sign into your account. Here you need to enter them, and there should be a single space between these words. Tap on the paste button at the right side if you have already copied it before. Once doing that, now tap on this login button at the bottom. Now wait for a while until you are logged into your account, and then you will see you have successfully logged into your Sweat Wallet account. Now here tap on Let's Start button at the bottom, and then proceed further by tapping on Next button at the bottom right. Tap on it once again, and then finally tap on Open Your Wallet at the bottom right, and then you will see you have successfully logged into your Sweat Wallet account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.